My dear children, greetings and heartiest congratulations to all of you on the auspicious occasion of our Independence Day. A famous quote says, "No sacrifice can be higher than the sacrifice we make for our motherland." It is the most auspicious day for us because India became independent after lots of hardship and sacrifices of the brave Indian freedom fighters. On the 75th Indian independence celebration, as free citizens, let us pay our sincere tribute unitedly to those who sacrifice themselves so that we as Indians lead a liberated, respectable, wonderful life in a free nation. Our great leaders and millions of common men and women fought a long drawn torturous battle, bore so much pain and misery, untold sacrifices, shed blood to win for this freedom. It was just hope and aspirations that kept them going. Therefore, when it was achieved, it was a big moment and a glorious day. Hence, on this auspicious day, let me wish all of us a very happy Independence Day, a historic day for our country when we became a free sovereign nation. It is a proud privilege to be part of independent India. India chose the path of democracy for its people and adopted a constitution which guarantees fundamental right to the citizens. Now, so many decades down the line, we have so many reasons to stand tall and proud. We see achievements in almost every sphere, be it in the field of science and technology, space and missile technology, medical, research, education, agriculture, and so on. We are ever growing higher and stronger. The great discoveries and inventions our ancestors made and contributed to the world have been special and unique, from the concept of zero to Ayurveda to yoga to the latest contribution made by our scientists, vaccine for COVID-19. Our scientists emerged successful, speeding up the whole process, working in tandem with utmost sincerity and dedication. We have endless reasons to hold our heads high. India has successfully administered more than 50 crores COVID vaccination to its population. Indian doctors, scientists, and engineers, IITians, and IIMs are doing excellent jobs in the country and in a great demand all over the world. Indian broadband companies proved to be such a sport, enabling for the entire population work from home during the COVID lockdown situation. In this Tokyo Olympics, our youngsters added bright new feathers to our cap by winning proud medals for the country. Neeraj Chopra topped it all by winning the gold medal for the nation. Today, our country has earned a place, respect in the global world. Indians have gained a self-esteem. It is for younger generation to come up with new ideas for further advancement and progress of the country in different spheres by dint of hard work and sincerity. Mahatma Gandhi said, "You must be the change you wish to see in the world." Dear children, teachers, parents, and all those associated with prudence, we need to understand that strength comes when you stand your ground unitedly in the face of massive difficulties. The size of your biceps doesn't matter. What really matters is size of your will. If we think of fear and failure, we will reflect the same in our lives. Let us think great, read great books, talk to strong-minded people, and keep the will to succeed. The future depends on what you do today. You create your own destiny. Be mindful of your actions. What is really needed to make democracy function is not just knowledge of facts, but right type of education. Draw out the best of your body, mind, and spirit. The future depends on what we do in the present. You should strive all resolve to take the nation to further greater heights in all the spheres of life by sincerity of purpose, devotion, original thinking, and innovative ideas. Jai Hind.